Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the WeTV app on Google TV.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
So, without further ado, let's get into the video. Now, the WeTV application is available on the Google Play Store. The Google Play Store is embedded in the system of the WeTV. So, what you need to do is head over to settings and find it, then install it. So, step by step, I'll show you how to do that. Just go to quick settings and then all settings. Navigate down to apps and click on apps. You can find a Google Play Store right there. But that's because of this the app. So if this is your first time, or if you don't have the app there, this is a procedure to get it. Just go to see your apps, go to show system apps at the bottom of this list. Click on show system apps. And now scroll down this list to the bottom, or not to the bottom, but to the alphabetical order of G. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And on the G section, you find Google Play Store. Click on Google Play Store, click on Open to launch the application. When the application is launched, head over to the search bar and just type in the prompt for the app you're looking to download. In this video, I'm showing you how to download and install the WeTV application, and searching for that app provides these results. The first option there is the WeTV app. Click on the app and click on install. The app is going to bend and then download. After the download, it's going to install. So as you can see, it is 6% download already, and that's lightning fast. So just give some seconds, download completes, and then the extension process begins. Now the extension process will begin automatically. You do not have to do any adjustments or interfere. You don't even need to have unknown sources enabled. This is going to be purely on the Google Play Store. Immediately it finishes installing, you can click on this open button right here and access the WeTV application. So as you can see, the app is loading, successfully loaded, and that is for your enjoyment. If you found that insightful or useful, I want to drop us a like, smash that subscribe button for content just like this.